I don't understand why you just can't use the turn signal to let somebody know what you're doing. Bruh, what happened? I think somebody was mad at somebody. Why didn't you just commit? It would have made more sense than to stop in the middle of the street. I have no idea what's going on here. You all tell me, make some sense of this, because this doesn't make sense at all. Which way are we going, sir? I don't understand. Make this make sense.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
It was not your turn, sir. Be prepared to meet some of the most impatient drivers you will ever see. He had a death wish. And here we are with the last bath for the Ford Fusion. This video is the video from the Ford Fusion before I did give it back to the company and we purchased our other car. You'll see the video from the new car at the very end of the video. And you all just let me know, are you enjoying these types of videos? Do you like these things? Have you subscribed to the channel? Have you done all the things like comment, share, and enjoyed and became a part of the Bestie crew? If you didn't, what are you waiting for? I love y'all. I appreciate each and every one of you for rocking with me and for watching these videos. And now let's get back into the video. Now, this ninja was like in the middle of the road and he was highly adamant about me not getting around him. I'm like, bruh, seriously. Then he had his turn signal on several times. I'm like, are you turning now or later? What exactly are you doing? I'm like, are we competing? This gentleman decided to just do the most with being in the middle of the road. I continued on my journey.